Hey guys, this is the Top Road Finger Gesture Light. And the brand did send me a free one so I could review it for you today. So I wanted to demonstrate some of the features of this LED hand sign light with remote control. Now, first and foremost, it does have 3 different gestures that you can use while you're driving. To put it on, it's pretty easy. They do come with these 3M strips here, 2 of them. And you simply affix it to any part of your vehicle where people can see it. Then you use this remote. Now this remote here is going to demonstrate the 3 gestures you can use. Now first one is the wave. You can see it's a bright light, very clear and visible to other vehicles. Now the second one here is the heavy metal or rocker sign. And the final one I don't recommend is this obscene one here, which will blur out. I prefer this one. And it does give feedback to other drivers behind you. Comes with this convenient remote. To turn it off, you just simply press here. And I would highly recommend this for anyone who wants a finger gesture light for your vehicle.